We set the intention to connect with highest self, understand and receive guidance from highest self. Highest self, what is it you would like to share with me today? We would like to thank you for taking this time to develop this connection and build this relationship. As we continue moving forward, you are going to question why certain things are coming to you. Coming through the dream state, coming through your waking state, and in the near future, the state of which you are out of body. There's many fashions of this. Some have called it astral projection, out-of-body experience. Some have received near-death experiences, and all of which are you out of your body.